Hey meal preppers, Paul coming out here from the Let's Meal Prep app, and I've got some incredible meal right here that you can have for lunch or for dinner. It's real easy to make and it is super good. Throw away those Sloppy Joe packets forever. You're never gonna wanna go back. This is bison Sloppy Joe right here with some roasted sweet potato. And the combination here was just phenomenal. I love it. It's got two kinds of mustards, tomato paste, paprika, chili powder. It's got green bell pepper in there along with some white onions, and it came out phenomenal. We roasted these just slices of sweet potato with some coconut oil and sea salt. Just nice and easy. Gives a great flavor. Roasted in the oven. Obviously, we like to burn ours just a little bit, get some flavor. And we forgot a veggie this week. Plenty of space right there for like steamed broccoli, steamed green beans, whatever you like. But we did make some pickled red onions, which I just love. Amy had a great idea of putting a little jalapeno in there, so it gives a great kick. A little flavor, but not too spicy. And I just love red onions. I'm gonna put this on top, and I'm gonna throw some shredded carrots in there and just kind of heat it all up to get some kind of veggie. But we forgot this week. Sometimes that happens. We got so much going on. You guys coming out of the app this Thursday. Hope you love it. Have a great week.